Hey Javier. Beetles. Light them up. coffee. Tommy Lane Matrix Screen Post. Hope you all had a nice holiday. Alright, good afternoon everyone. 12:26 p.m. West Coast USA. I thought we'd do a nice market recap today. Haven't gone through the charts on YouTube in a week. Don't want to leave you hanging. There's nothing too critical going on with our charts right now. It's the other charts that we don't really care about. Tesla straight down. Good to see y'all. I missed you. Yo ho ho, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Port 3, Robert. On deck. Yeah, the rest of the market is kind of getting nailed. Our charts are chilling. Bitcoin's holding steady. Right, here's crypto. No problems there. Hillary. So there hasn't been much to fill you in on exactly. I've been analyzing a lot. Posting frequent updates on Discord, as always. But there's not exactly much to watch on the 5-minute Bitcoin chart right here, right now, okay? You're better off spending some time with your family the holidays, checking the price once a day, whatever. Oh, 0%, 1% red. No big deal. Looks like it went down today. Straight down all day, doesn't fucking matter. Just sit in this breakout or test area. It's stabilized, it's a good thing. It's not really crashing, it's not really going down. We just gotta be patient. The new year, it's all about the new year. We got a few days. Solidify that. So while that's chilling, Tesla's getting smashed. Like, there's been no attempt at bounce yet. At this point, it's gonna stop on 100. It's pretty fucking low. Maybe a bounce under 100 there. It's getting absolutely annihilated. And we kinda gotta let that play out. Focus on other stuff. And then it might even be a good entry at some point. Not at 100, but like, say a couple more months of this. Down at $20, Tesla is well on its way. The awkward part is there will be a bounce in the middle. There's gonna be a chop in the middle somewhere under 100. AMC. Obliterated. There's nothing to sugarcoat. It didn't even attempt to bounce. And now they're talking a reverse split. That's what's going on in the markets right now. We don't really care about those charts right now too much. That shouldn't be affecting anyone. Those are critical, right? Those are having developments, but like, we're not fucking with that at $40. How about another 50% down? I'll let you know when it's down there at the bottom at an all-time low. Focus on the ones that are there already. DAC holdings, holy fuck. Hey. What, baby?
Hot beverage.
Remember what I just said about Bitcoin? Chilling, stable, and do your rally. Still on track. Crypto stocks, all-time lows. Fucking go. I have no problem with this. I don't think it's gonna go lower. I'm not worried about it. I expect it to bounce hundreds of percents. Not today. We did miss a squeeze on this one. This one's trippy digits 100% today. 200. My goodness. $43 marked himself safe by holding crypto. Love it, dude. Yes, stick to the plan. You don't need to fuck with this kind of stuff. With this AM shit, that's all, whatever. Really. One of our pirates bought a fucking railroad. Legit bought a railroad in real life. I just got diamond hands. Shout out Jarhead. Look at Central going for it. Undervalued EVs. That's pretty dope. Again, not worried about it. Don't expect to go looking for hundreds of percent bounce. It's sandwich up. Center can wait for my next payday. Nope, 30% today, straight up. It's been hovering there. It's been waiting a couple of weeks. Now this. Yeah, so there's some random ones, all-time low popping up, massive percentages. Central we care about, right? So like we've been accumulating this for a long time. And diamond handsing it. We're talking about double downs being effective there. It's like even if you bought some like 2 years ago and you haven't touched it since, this would be the chance. Get it dirt cheap to be able to lower cost average. I wish it was more eventful projection, like day to day, minute to minute, hour to hour right now. I was streaming a ton of crypto when it was going straight up. And like when it was popping off, breaking out, right? I'll get to that more after the bell. Hey, Sabi, you gotta check on the locks, man. I didn't check. That was super funny. So I was streaming lots back here when we were getting these pop-offs. Well, the last few weeks it was clear like we weren't gonna get that end of year $100. And I was gonna wait till the new year. So we're down at support on lots of things. Trendline on Litecoin for months, guys. Been holding for a long time, no problems. It's still holding your central. Yeah, now would be a good time to consider lowering cost average on that one. Yeah, once more, because there's a few others like that, right? Those higher reward penny stock ones, where that's way lower than it should be right now. Just trying to squeeze right back up to here, and I can do it very quick. So it's like you might be thinking about it here, and then like all of a sudden next week it's already too late. So it's really effective when it's down that much, right? And then, say, Power Bridge has not really had much upside yet. There's been interesting buying pressure coming through. Same kind of setup. Squeeze up hundreds of percents very quick. And while it's still down here this low. Those of you who might have got some back here. So that's what it's trying to bounce up to. Even Mullen's low enough, I would say that as well. Some of the FUDs warranted, it is like fucked with by the hedges, but it's still a large company, even though it's a penny stock. Still $350 million company. I did have that 100% bounce last week. So it's not dead, right? These things want to bounce, but we are like in the middle of Tesla going straight down. It's like, how can Mullen go up if Tesla is going straight down? It's not gonna. Not till Tesla bounces next week, next month, whatever. Makes sense. Centro, on the other hand, that's what's impressive about Centro. It's just going for it anyway. It already dunked, so. It's more fresh, it's more active on Centro, whereas Mullen's been at that level for like months. In the dark, you see. Yeah, so there hasn't been a ton of price action to actually watch on the charts like we normally would on Litecoin. It was exciting and pretty epic streaming it when we're cruising straight up. And to be fair, it's starting to get that way again. This is the other day. It's Christmas right here. Nice boost. Start to look that way again soon. Get back up to magic number next week, right? We all know Litecoin is going right back to magic number any day now, any minute now. It'll be magic number again, and that'll be more exciting again. But there hasn't been much going on there, like day to day, hour to hour, and we just need to stick to the plan and let it play out. But I've missed y'all. I miss hanging out with the friends in the chat. So we have been streaming more on Twitch lately. I want y'all to go ahead and follow me on there. Captain's orders. We're setting sail on Twitch. Get the fuck over there. New channel. twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. Captain's Orders, y'all gotta go follow me on there, cause I've been streaming a good amount on there. I was streaming on there last night for like 6 hours. We were hanging out, having lots of fun. It's a lot of fun, and we talk about everything, and it's a great way to keep the community going on the off hours of the church when there's nothing fucking happening in the stock market or later at night. So we're gonna go on there after the stock show, after we finish with crypto and all that. We'll go on there, play some Valheim, gaming crew. But I'd love for the traders as well, come stop by on Twitch, cause that's where you're gonna find me like the majority of the time. I'll still do market summary, like power hour crypto crunch, but I'm not gonna stream this kind of like flat or red crypto all day long, right? I'll still be streaming all day long on Twitch. Just maybe not watching the church. Maybe we're playing games. Maybe we're doing reaction videos. Maybe we're watching some YouTube content. I kinda wanna watch the new CoffeeZilla video, to be honest. I haven't watched it yet. Logan Paul's NFT scams. Maybe we'll do that tonight. But we talk about stocks and all that too, and just have a good time as the social aspect that's make an account, follow me there, try it out, come stop by chat. We're gonna continue the show over there after we finish with crypto. You said S&P? We're on track. See, it's all good there. There's no market crash right now. It's just Tesla and AMC. Like, this is way zoomed out. This should be healthy for months. We probably got like 3 months, maybe even 6 months of green ahead, of upside ahead. There's gonna be months, like not just green next week and then oh shit, market crash. Like stuff's fine right now, but it's all the bigger picture. Like y'all gotta adjust really start thinking more like swing traders and investors rather than then squeeze traders, right? Oh, true. Tommy Lamb speaking of which, that's funny. Speaking of which, Ape did go 150%. A quick pop. It just went low enough, like it just. Here, I'll draw it out. So, you know what I mean? Like at some point it was gonna bounce here and it marked under 50 cents. It went down to 65, pretty close to 50. At some point there, like it was gonna hit a limit or it had gone too far down. And that happened, squeezed up. So that was expected. It was funny. It's I don't know. It's ironic. Like a good scalp, perhaps, right? Like a good quick trade there, but that's about it. Like what now? Now I doubt it's gonna go much further than that. Like that would be the target here. It's just this first resistance. Honestly, I want to stream stocks all day long still, but the audience, like the demand isn't really there right now. The interest, the YouTube landscape's fucking desolate right now. I kind of want to make videos about ape stock, right? Fuck that. I'm not got it. I refuse. But I'll laugh about it on the stream. So yeah, we watched it melt like 90+% in a couple months there, and it went so low it had a little squeeze. That's normal. This is the part where they go down here. Like, so we've seen this before many times. This is like Zello or some shit. Oh, look right here. That's this. Or this. That's all that is. And it's just gonna keep going down after. We've seen it a million times. There's some good charts too. It's not all bad. A lot of our charts are looking pretty sexy, but not actionable. Nothing to really do about it. People took profits today already. Great stuff. Happy about that. I was just in the last entry. Yeah, y'all kicked Tal's ass. We kicked some ass on that one, crew. That was awesome. Awesome trade. Probably the best one last year. Probably the best fucking chart out of anything last year. It went absolutely perfect. It was completely predictable. We had a double entry and everything. Damn for life. So I'm really proud of y'all for succeeding on that. It was a long-term hold, right? Like that was practically a whole year ago at the original entry area down there. Held it for a year, 500%. Good shit. Hey, dude. Yeah, it's awesome to see y'all today. Thanks for stopping by for real. We're just talking about the community building. That is the biggest accomplishment of creating the channel in the first place. We've been on quite the journey together, and you know, I was just thinking about you like literally yesterday. Someone was joking about being a bean in Valheim. It's like, oh, I wonder how Bean is. I haven't heard from her in a while. Yeah, Christmas was good. Thanks for just hanging on Twitch, like some of the gaming crew and my brother. Last year I was streaming crypto on Christmas. Yeah, it's just like, yeah. I'm not gonna stream Litecoin all night at $67. Let's see, 87. I don't know. 97. I don't know. But yeah, like, here's the S&P, and that kind of explains everything, because if we're right here on it, right in the middle, and it's just kind of turning around and waiting for that new year. Yeah, awesome, dude. The more the merrier. Hasn't ever been on Twitch, gonna check it out. We're gonna continue the show on there after this. So I really would love if everyone who really is part of the crew who enjoys the show. The show's gonna be even better over there. Because it's not restricted to just the charts. Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. So it's worth it. Make an account on there and then click the follow button. I'm just gonna show you the button. Because guys, I'm not a fucking YouTuber, okay? I'm a trader who started streaming. I'm not just promoting my fucking channel like Captain Denwo is gonna be hanging out streaming on Twitch a lot. So make an account and follow me there. That's where you can interact with me. Like, you can come ask me anything. Anytime I'm on there, it's more intimate even. Or you can get into conversations with me. So I'm not just saying it, say it. I'm really gonna be on there. Come hang out with me. That's the new home base for the ship. There's it. We needed a new fortress for the whole stream. So I'm not fucking restricted to only talking about the church. So I actually am excited about that. But on the trading show, it's like I always have to have the charts pulled up effectively and be staring at the charts. So after a while, if they're going flat, like it can get stale. But we can keep it fresh on there. Browsing the internet, surfing the web together. Alright. What else is good in the market? Let me find some more good things to tell you about on the church. That's not all red. We crushed TAL, and that was just the initial target, so it's not done yet either. That's halfway. Like, we're halfway there on TAL. Whereas worth locking in half the profits, basically. Simple as that. So there's somebody bought like $1,000 worth down there, and it's 5,000 now, and they took 2,500 profit, and they're still holding 2,000. Centro with the epic bounce action. See this how much lower than necessary right now. It should be here where the green line is. It's way down here. I'm just gonna be bouncing it right back up there, 500%. So that's good. There's nothing bad about that. Even though it had melted. Some of the bigger market caps, like the Alibaba hold. I sound excited about the new channel. I am, because we've already been doing it. I'm totally excited about it because we've already been doing it. I've streamed on there like 4 or 5 times now, and it's been hella fun. There's been like the most fun I've had streaming in months, basically. So I already see the potential with it. I already see where it's going. Like, fuck yeah, Denwo After Dark's gonna be lit. Awesome. And for life, gonna join us on there too. Yeah, for real, I'm more than married, because you guys are my friends, so you can always just stop in and say whatever, talk about anything. You could use some fun lately. And the beauty of it is, like, it's a way for the OG crew to connect off the charts, off the markets, where we can still talk about it and what's going on and what we're doing and all that, but like our strategies and events, but like without the stress of, oh, we gotta make a trade right now. Oh, the market's gonna close in 1 minute, last minute, fire cat. So far, like, it's nearly been 2 years now, and we've formed like really the best community ever on the fucking internet. Let's go. Best audience on the whole internet. I really mean that. And we've been under like stressful conditions the whole time. We've only gotten to know each other under extreme pressure. Basically. Of like the looming market crash. And it's just refreshing to socialize with you guys, like off the charts in that way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding. Cool. There is more good things happening in the markets, but there's also a lot of opportunities, right? Like that's the kind of the current predicament. Carvana all-time low as it makes it good entries. It could have one spike down. Stop hunt here wouldn't be surprising. Quick spike, but still very bullish Carvana overall. Like maybe even like double bottom kind of action. However it plays out, it is suspect. Cool, 43. Nice emojis, Beatles. Oh, is the Lucid bottomed out? Yeah, let's check that. Yeah, that's kind of where my mind's at with the current tradability of it. It's like we got that opportunity. Carvana's attractive, and then Lucid 620, even lower. We've been kind of going back and forth the crew's speculating like, is Lucid gonna hit 5 or not? I mean, it's pretty close. It practically already is. And I would say that Ninja can bounce any day now. Is it bottomed out yet? Not until Tesla bounces. Like, Tesla going straight down isn't causing these ones to go straight down, but it's preventing Lucid from going up. If Tesla keeps tanking, like tomorrow, just even just a few more days, like, yeah, it'll be hitting 5. If Tesla bounces all of a sudden, this thing's gonna fire off. It really kind of is, depending on that. In terms of tradability, this would be accumulation, right? The best way to play this would be small bites out of it, laddering in. Since we don't know if 6 is the bounce spot, if 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's pretty extreme. You can't really count on it bouncing when there's no sign of it yet. But I'll show you what I do see. So it's like Tesla, you wouldn't want to enter Tesla for a bounce trade. Like Tesla calls, there's just no sign of it whatsoever. So has Tesla hit a bottom? Like, no, but it could bounce somewhere right around here. Like literally tomorrow could just pop off, open green as fuck, and quite a bit back. Quite a ways back up. And then Lucid would be bouncing. So until that happens with Tesla, at this rate, we'll be going under 100 on it. So it's like tomorrow or Wednesday. This week's gonna be ugly on these. It's like they're just gonna finish the year ugly. I don't think it'll even start to bounce the next few days on Tesla really until the new year. So probably a few more days of extreme selling pressure on like those ones, and so Lucid can hit 5 there. But after that, we're talking just a few days, and then after that, New Year rally, boom. Hey, long boy. Boy on deck. That's how fun Twitch is. We brought the meme back. He was playing games with us last night. Yeah, like I wish there was more action there in terms of like any sign of bouncage to be like, oh, there's something to do right now, but just accumulation while that's playing out going into the new year. And really, rather than focusing on where the exact perfect number is for that bounce, is it even worth entering Lucid at all whatsoever nowadays? Have you measured how far it's down? I see 90%. Where's the hot bevy? Ooh. It's pretty extreme, guys. 95% down would be 3. That's pretty fucking extreme. I'm just being unbiased about it. I want to consider all angles. If it went all the way down to 3, that's a steal. Like, think about Lucid shares at $3. That's so cheap for that company. But I could see it with Tesla going way the fuck down. So yeah, hold fire. Hold fire is what this tells us. Save some dry powder if you're able to. Slow and steady. Work on accumulation. Don't go all in Lucid right there thinking it's gonna bounce tomorrow. Nothing's really changing day by day yet, hour by hour, so probably finish the week, which is the end of the year, red as fuck like this. And then the New Year rally when we're getting Tesla bounce and everything, okay? But the EVs all together, it's not just that one. Remember, Mullen had also bounced 100%, getting some buying pressure. It's not the first time either, a couple of times down here. So that has life. And Centro, after it hit the limit, it was extreme, like Lucid went way down. Now that it seems to have hit the limit, dirt cheap down there is popping off again. So this is what Lucid will turn into. One will finish that extreme selling pressure. So no, I don't think we really hit the bottom per se on Lucid like that, just because like Tesla is not really in terms of under 100 and not really in terms of the whole bubble picture, so there is gonna be nice bounce action though. I'm unbiased about these now, dude. GameStop, AMC, they're pulling a Tesla. It looks like the full bubble pop. We're just gonna have to see if those ones bounce at any point. Some of them really do look. Look, okay, fuck all that. The definition. Much love, everyone. What a year. That's just what's going on in the markets right now. So it's like, oh, let's do a market summary. It's like, those are getting fucking decimated. Like, that's what's going on. Most of ours are just chilling. They're good entries, accumulation. Grayscale Litecoin, you already know. Let's check the discount. I'm sure we've still got a massive discount as long as that's there. 63%. Holy fuck. That's insane. 63% discount on Litecoin. Yeah, Tommy. You remember when I called that top when GameStop mooned? Yeah, that's why I mentioned it. It's like I didn't stream this stuff last week. So this is the first time we're seeing it together right here. This is the first time I'm on camera and AMC is under $5 since back then. So a full cycle, we came the full way. I definitely remember at $50 saying I'll see you at $5. And here we are, so it's like that's what's going on. You know, she just dunked. Hey, Firefly. That beautiful picture. Pirate girl. Good morning. Wait, what time is it? Aren't you in Canada? The sun's gonna go down soon here. I'm gonna move on to crypto. She goes, whoops, good afternoon. I was like, yeah, I did that yesterday. It was dark out. I said good afternoon to somebody. It's like, oh, it just got dark out all of a sudden. Never mind. Shout out global audience. It's 10 p.m. there. That's cool. Says LaRue in Germany. Oh, shout out to our German friends overseas holding AMC. They say that every day. I don't know why you remember that. There was a big following in Germany of the AMC back then. So, like, these are the critical things in the markets right now. Bitcoin, there's not much to update you on. Gets me every time. So anyway, let's turn on the 1 minute after hours chart. 1 second chart. This is after hours, it's just not moving. Okay, in terms of the analysis though, check this out, right? Like AMC is going straight down right now, right? Ape had a bounce. Ape had the 200% bounce, but it doesn't really matter if they're all part of the same company, and it's kind of like siphoning money from each other. So maybe Ape went up, but AMC's going down, and then Ape goes down, and then they both go down. And it just like cancels out. Here's Ape plus AMC combined, it didn't move. This is the real value of the company, it did not move even if Ape went up, doesn't matter. So pretty wild, pretty extreme, like full circle guy. You know what's next, you fucking know what's next. Seven's in the chat.
777.
You should be reading my mind right now already. We're connected telepathically. You know what I'm gonna say. not talking just all time. Whoa. This part of the bubble, it's only in capitulation right here. It's not even close to this yet. That's gonna be ugly. I swear we'll pillage it. Penny stock, reverse split penny stock. Fucking. Maybe under $1, maybe like 50 cents or something. We'll go on for it. We'll go on for the kill. These are the same paintings, Firefly. Actually, you're very observant. Very observant. This one, that changed the angle of it. There were more than nice charts hitting targets last week. People already took profits on them. Kala. Well, this one's still kind of cruising. This one. Got that next target up there. Still going straight up on Kala. I'm gonna just run through a couple of those quick, so show you that it's not all red, it's not all going straight down. The Alibaba hold, I never finished the thought with that. I was talking about this at the $60 area, that was the entry, so it's doing very well. Like, anyone who's just holding Alibaba nice and comfortably. It looks fucking awesome. Just ready to pop off more. New Year rally goes even further. Should be at least 100% here. That's quite good for such a huge company like that. It's like one of the biggest companies in the world. Let's see. The inverse charts, obviously mimicking S&P inversely. S&P being kind of sketch. These ones are kind of green, but like, okay, here's DRV, bearish real estate. That shows it all. Shows it all right here. That's what's happening. That shows you the market's be green for quite some time, for like months right there. You know, I don't really have to worry about market crash right now. It's all good. Even though I got the scary music on. Even though AMC's are going straight down, Tesla, GameStop, you can still be brave. The other ones, say Virgin Galactic, if you want to brave on that. 3030. The music's legit scaring Robert. Too much sundial and coffee. There's no such thing. Oh, we just got some trap beats going. There's nothing too epic right now. Look, I'm feeling brave on this. There's no real limit. Could bounce here tomorrow. Could go down to 230. What accumulation, patience, stick to the plan. They're deep fucking value. Let's measure this now. 95%, guys. The full hot bevy. I think it's just inevitable on any of the charts now. You can be pretty sure that something that's crashing is gonna go 95% down now. That's why it's like Lucid, same kind of plans, you know, bounce back here, now it's extreme. It's probably gonna go to the full 95%. Like, so you just gotta get through, accumulate all you can, as low as you can for a while. But you know what that means for Tesla? Like, holy shit! Like it, this thing's gonna go down 95%. It really is. We always figured it would, but like. Is actually gonna go down 95%, even on Tesla, the biggest, most fucking popular company that ever existed. That's pretty extreme, so there's nothing to even sugarcoat. Like, I can't even sugarcoat it. Like, what do you want me to say about that? As we were writing puts, like, you just let it play out, and these things are, you're ready more than anyone, you're trained up for this more than anyone. You know this is gonna go through despair. That's what I want everyone to understand. Like, these are in capitulation right now. And it's probably gonna bounce in the middle somewhere. But ultimately, like, it's gonna go through this despair phase and go to full 95% down. So that tells a lot. That means don't buy Tesla anywhere, like, along the way until it were to be way the fuck down there. And then when it's down 95%, we're going for the kill. Same with AMC, all of them, right? This is very important. Like, once it's down 95%, then we can consider entries again. I put GameStop $5. So no $10 GameStop bounce, like, right? No $20 bounce, like $5, then maybe. That's what this all means. And then on the other hand, like, on the bright side, we got ones from last year, like Virgin Galactic, that are already down 95%. Boom. That's already way down there. You can feel brave about that. Alright, Firefly, a lot of those targets, those drop prices were unbelievable last week. Virgin Galactic too. I did not expect it to go this far down. Like, these are real hardcore crashes, as extreme as can be. Like, normally this type of company would not have this big of a crash. Look at the history of it. It's never crashed like this before. 75%, 75%. The worst it ever crashed in the past. 75% is down 95% for the first time ever. It's insane. Stay calm, hold strong. Stay brave, stick to the plan. You just gotta get through this last bit of it all. Well, Tesla's fucking around. While Tesla's getting liquidated, these things aren't really gonna bounce. But soon enough, because dollar. Because the fuse is lit on the dollar. La Bamba engaged. This is our old dollar dip chart from way back there, La Bamba. It's still heading in that direction. It's still got further to go. There's no sign of dollar going against us or anything right now. So we should get some more dollar dip. We should get New Year rally. And we should see a lot more bounces. Probably not the next few days, but definitely the next few months. How does it all tie into crypto? It's gonna be kind of flat, kind of. Stable really is the right word for it. It's gonna be stable, but I expect it fairly uneventful the next few days there. Tomorrow I'll be streaming all day Discord day. Let's see if we can find some more developments there. But we'll notice like when it starts moving again, when there's actually something substantial happening. Similar to Litecoin, it's got decent uptrend going on right there. So it totally never broke down, most importantly. I'm keeping it more of a recap today rather than a deep dive or anything, so the recap, like the summary, the important part, it never broke down. We were down this area for weeks back here. For weeks after the FTX crash is the FTX FUD. Elliottician goose. The FTX effect. Dropped it down there towards a 15,000 number. Never actually hit 15. Yeah, at this rate, there's no sign that it would still. And that's my point. That's my whole point. It's been on an uptrend ever since then, weeks ago, months ago. We're building up. The build up here. And then we started breaking out 17K. We almost hit 20. Almost got to 20 there. It's like 18 and a half. And then the stock market went red. Like last couple weeks, stock market went back down to like that midpoint. There's a lot of the Tesla crash and AMC, like Bitcoin is not really gonna go off right now while that's happening. And we've known that like the end of the year was gonna be rather uneventful, so it'll just be building up stable there, a few more days or whatnot, and then when we get into the new year, we'll be looking for those next step developments on the dollar here, because it is getting tight. It's got to do something soon here on dollar chart. it's not gonna stay flat like that when we get into the new year, so a few more days, probably nothing major. Just plan your next moves, start thinking maybe you wanna try and catch the AMC trying $1 dunk or something. Maybe GameStop $5, $2. Start thinking about that stuff. So a bit of preparation planning right now. Some of them are already there, of course. Sticking to accumulation on all the good ones. So that's why we haven't really bounced back up a Litecoin completely yet. Here's our Litecoin midterm action. And when I show it like this, when I show the chart like this, it's hard to even tell like where it went red exactly, like where's the crash last month or like where's the problem? Was that here? Was that here? Was that here? Where's the bad part? Like, cause there is no bad part. This was last year's drop. It's never been bad. It's never looked good. That's why it's hard to find it. This is the recent stuff there. So like, put it in perspective, here's like the $80 pop off. But when I was streaming a lot, when we were trying to hit 100 right there. And then a couple of weeks ago, right, dropping back down to 60. So it's right here. That's the bad part. Like that's the bad question mark, like the ugly part from the last couple of weeks. Nothing really in the bigger picture. Doesn't mean anything. There. That's not even the only way to draw it. Remember this breakout. Breakout your test like this. From 50. Litecoin's crushing it. There's nothing bad about it at all. It went slightly down for like 1 day to the support level. And it's still healthy, stable. Ethereum 1200, that's a familiar number. More directly, what about the bearish one? Solana crash? Not really. Look at this. So here's where it's getting more interesting. Actually, something more critical, a development that we can use. Solana, the most bearish one in the altcoins, because it's linked to like FTX. It's the Tesla of the altcoin, just the more accurately, it's like the AMC of the altcoins. So this is basically as bad as it could be, as ugly as it could be, expecting it to go all the way down. However, is it breaking down? Is it going down? No, it hasn't. And it's not actually going down right now. It's been holding this area for a few months. Okay, 2 months, November, December. 2 2 whole months has been at that $10, $15 spot. And this is the drop from a couple weeks ago. Is it actually going straight down? No, it's stable in that area for the last 2 months. And it looks like it actually fell below that line today right now. That's where it gets interesting, because it's testing it. It's tapping it right now. So it actually did like stop hunt there, break below the support line, and then spring right back up already instantly. So it didn't actually break through. It's like a fake out breakdown. You know what I mean? Like a fake out breakout, but on the way down. So that's actually looking like a stop hunt kind of thing, a small stop hunt. And it may actually continue from here. I'd expect it will. Again, like the next few days, probably nothing much, but then the New Year rally. Unless this was actually continuing down from back here where it was months ago. If Solana's down here like $8, $7, then crypto's looking more sketchy. If even that's holding up stable, then we don't have to worry about Litecoin or Bitcoin. It should be okay. They're just not that exciting right now. That's the real problem with it, right? Depending on your perspective. That's my problem with it, okay? Be honest, that's my problem with it. Because I'm the one streaming it, and it's not that exciting right now, per se, like from hour to hour, minute to minute. It's not a problem if you're just chilling, accumulating, so. Alright, fuck yeah, that was a solid summary. We're gonna call that a wrap. Take a smoke break, come on, make some coffee, and then we're gonna continue over on Twitch. Okay, twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. Denwo will continue the show there. Denwo After Dark. Go sign up in about 15 minutes from now. Thanks so much, all the kind words of support. Hope you all had an awesome holiday. Until next time, Discord day tomorrow too, by the way, remember. Happy trading, and take care. We get those announcements in there. So let's hop over on Twitch, guys. I'll get that going. Send out the notifications. Play some games, maybe watch some videos. We can keep talking about all this stuff too. You're all doing great. Sometimes the best trade to make is not making any trade at all.